Good morning, everybody. We are being protected from negative forces beyond our control. A rebirth is assured. They say we have reasons to celebrate, and we're going to get happy announcements regarding our relationships and our children. They say there has been discord among family and friends, but you have invested wisely. Have patience and wait for your harvest. There has been arguments and battles around you, but you've overcome a lot of the obstacles, and you are pursuing your happiness now. Archangel Michael says there's a light at the end of the tunnel. You can breathe a sign of relief. There has been danger, especially around your money matters, and the musician card is here to tell you that you can manifest the life that you want. They say you must stay positive and confident in what you want to do for yourself. There's love in the air now in the world. The world card is here, and they say there's very happy endings. Things in the world are coming to full circle, and we are receiving spiritual growth and insights. They say we are going to have success. We're going to receive prosperity arising from wise planning. We've made optimistic plans that are going to turn out as expected. We took a giant leap of faith, and it's time to celebrate and have fun now. There is romance in the air, and solutions in the romance department. You're going to have success that comes from objective compromise, self control and patience, and forgiving and healing energy. You must keep your eyes on the big picture and leave the details to others. You have the experience that can lead you to success. There has been shrewdness in the past, especially in business, but freedom is yours now. The most difficult part of the situation is over, and you must trust divine. Thank you for listening. Have a lovely day.